Welcome. Adding employees one at a time is fine for one or two people, but not for a whole team. In this guide, you will learn how to import many employees at once from a single spreadsheet. This is the employee master as it stands today. The company has 5 employees, user A through user E. We are going to add 9 more in one go. The plus button here adds them one by one, which is exactly what we want to avoid. So instead of this screen, we go to Utilities. Open the Utilities menu on the left and choose Import Employees. This is the Import Employees screen. It works for more than just employees, so the first thing it asks for is the category you want to import. Open the drop-down and you will see the options: Company, Branch, Department, Designation and Employee. Every one of these can be bulk imported the same way. We choose Employee. Notice that as soon as you pick a category, a Select Company field appears next to it. Open it and choose the company these employees belong to. Skyline Technologies. The imported employees will all be created under this company. Now the important part. Do not build your own spreadsheet. Click Employee Sample Sheet and download the template. It already has the exact column names Minop expects and a second tab explaining the format of every one of them. Here is that template, filled in. Each row is one employee. Employee code, name, punch ID, joining date, policy name, role name and email are mandatory. If any of them is missing, that row is quietly skipped, so check them carefully. Dates must be written as 3-letter month, day, year, for example, JUL/20/2026. And department, designation, shift, role and policy must match the masters that already exist in your account, spelled exactly the same way. One more rule worth remembering: a row can have either a shift or a shift group, never both. We have filled in 9 employees, user F to user N. Everything about them is identical, only the name, the code, the punch ID and the email address change. Back on the import screen, click Select File and choose the sheet you just filled in. The file name appears in the box, so you can confirm you picked the right one. Everything is set: category, company and file. Click Import. Minop processes the sheet and adds a row to the import history with the result. Ours reads Success. Next to it is a View Error File column. If any row had been rejected, the file behind that link would tell you which row and why, so a bad import never fails silently. Now go back to Company, then Employee, and look at the master. Where there were 5 employees, there are now 14. All 9 new employees are here, user F through user N, with codes EMP1006 to EMP1014, each on the HO branch and already active. Every one of them carries the department, designation, role, shift and policy that were written in the sheet. From here they receive their activation emails exactly like an employee added by hand. That is bulk import in Minop. One sheet, one click, a whole team on board. Thank you for watching.